profitable trade. Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader and trainer, welcomes you to this pre-market report. And if you see today, SGX Nifty is indicating a slightly negative to flat opening, and it is also indicating an opening below 15,700. Now, what is very important for a very short-term trader is price action. Always remember, all the fundamental news what you might be tracking are important, but for very short term, market is purely based on price action, and this price action is determined based on the psychology of market and also the demand and supply factor, where you have the buying and selling interest. Now, if you see the data very closely, let me tell you, 15,200 was a strong support from where market gave the first bounce. So after a huge sell-off whatever you had, market gave a first bounce to levels from 15,200, and if you see, the lows are getting every time higher and higher. From 15,200, the next support came to Nifty at 15,350. And if you see, market made two times attempt to break 15,350, which was not possible, and again market went up. And let me tell you, next after that, two times again market tried breaking 15,700, which it could not on the downside. And if you see, even the June month expiry happened above 15,700. Now all eyes are on July month expiry. Also very important technical data based on quant I am telling you. And if you see the previous history, whenever 3 months market has broken down, the fourth month generally has high probability of market going up. But let me tell you, this is not for today intraday view. I am talking about monthly view. And again, if you see last 3 months, that is for the month of April, May and June, markets are down. So fourth month continuously month on month market coming down in the history, and based on the quant data if you see, is next to impossible. And let me tell you, on the fourth month generally if you see the data, market has given a bounce. But let me tell you, anything can happen, and this can be an exceptional month. But however, probability is something which is very important, and this is where I say, even if you have the best trade edge, that is, you have the best accuracy, you have the best risk reward plus accuracy makes a trade edge. Even if you have a great trade edge, if you don't have a proper risk management, the trade edge what you have is of no use. So this is where I say successful trading is all about two important things. One, having a trade edge, that is where you have good risk reward and good accuracy. Second, you should have great risk management. Only then you can be a successful trader. Some more important data, if you just watch it very closely, we have the Brent crude cooling down. Repeatedly I was telling you from levels of $120 to $125 per barrel that yes, crude will come and settle closer to $95 to $102 per barrel, and from those levels of $123 to $124 per barrel, crude came down to $115. Then yesterday in a single day, crude fell below $110 per barrel, which is good for country like India and definitely positive to Indian market also. If you see, now the range is very tight. On Nifty, 15,700 to 15,900 is a crucial range, and today if even though SGX is indicating an gap down open below 15,700, closing wise last 3 consecutive days we have gap down, but from there we have seen a recovery in market. Also very crucial today is auto numbers. Watch very closely auto numbers, and it will definitely have a straight impact on stocks like Maruti, Tata Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, so HR Motors. These are all stocks which have to be very closely watched. And if you see, for the first time there is decoupling happening between emerging market and the developed markets. If you see, markets like US definitely is showing everyday fall and it is in a clear downtrend, but markets like India is resilient. It is not blindly following the US market. Even though US markets is falling like a nine pin, if you watch Indian market, we are surely resilient. All the gap down open whatever you are seeing because of negative US market, still when we close, market is closing on the positive side. And let me also tell you, on candlestick, yesterday you have got a doji pattern, and this indicates that the trend which was there previously is getting tired. And is it indicating that yes, there is a short term top which is being made in market? But however, I will say to closing below 15,700 tells to me that yes, the range of 15,700 to 15,900 is now shifted downwards to 15,350 to 15,700. Now these are all very crucial numbers, and you can watch the video again to make note of these numbers, because so much of quality information, data, and what to see in market, nifty range, crude oil, all these informations I'm giving it to you. So do ensure, if you want to watch it again, do that with lot of notes also to make up, because you have learned today how to become a successful trader. It requires both trade edge as well as a very good risk management. And for me, July series might be a series for private banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank can definitely be looked into, because there is credit growth, there is valuation comfort, and lot of FII selling has already happened in private bank. But this is not an intraday view, I'm talking for the entire month of July. And very important is, this month of July we will see results, and especially IT will be in focus, where you have the dollar rupee moving higher and higher with depreciating rupee, which is good for IT company. But however, their business, their margins, their volumes have got badly impacted. So we have to see how IT stocks will come out with results. So you have TCS coming out with results much earlier, whereas Infi has decided to come out with results on the last week of July. So there is no Infi TCS results coming next to next. But however, IT pack holds the key for the entire result season this time, especially keeping in mind the movement of dollar rupee, also keeping in mind the margins and volume impact what IT stocks have seen. All these, so much of update with so much of information with crisp and clear view, I'm sure is helping you for planning your trade. And I want each one of you to join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy by forwarding this video to as many people as possible, so that people like you will benefit and I get more and more encouragement to do much more videos like this. Also, today I have received so many wishes on Happy Chartered Accountants Day. Yes, July 1st is the CA day, and many of them have wished me a Chartered Accountant Day. Always, I am a proud Chartered Accountant, because this is the toughest and the proudest commerce and management degree what one can hold. And being a chartered accountant, I wish all my other fellow chartered accountants a happy CA day. And also, I wish all my fans who are all with me always to also celebrate a great CA day, because I am a chartered accountant. So that can be a reason for you to celebrate this today and have a very profitable day. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you all. Signing off, Rudramurthy.